Ari mothe wa muthia wa guthikiriria mawoni ma muingi na ikundi tiganite mbere ya kamiti ya WUIGUANO. Mothe ngwataniro igiri nene cia KIUTETI AZIMIO na Kenya Kwanza ni ciitururire. AZIMIO wa mbere kiuga ubi wa IEBC mbere ya guthurima githurano kia mwaka muhituku gutwarithia na mbere ndereti ya kwaga wihokeku ithurano-ini, no Kenya Kwanza makuga kamiti iria yamuritwe ibatie guthie na mbere gucagura makamishona ero a IEBC.
We must audit this process, and it is by auditing that then we can know what we are fixing. What is the problem that we are fixing with IEBC?
The highest level of the judiciary, that is the Supreme Court, had already pronounced itself on the matter of the 2022 presidential election. I would like to urge Kenyans.
Mutaratara wa mwathanire no ukirirwo cikaro-ini ici. AZIMIO makiuga speaker wa bunge ya bũrũri Moses Wetangula wa ngwatanĩro ya Kenya Kwanza ũguo ari kuga watho ũrahatika Kenya no hinya ũgũithio bunge-inĩ. Ũgĩota ũyũ nĩ werekeire wabici ya mwandĩkithia wa ciama cia KIUTETI ũrĩa ũgwetetwo ta kĩambĩrĩria kĩa njatũkano cia kĩama kĩa Jubilee.
Jubilee Party and AZIMIO coalition have communicated changes to who should be the deputy whip in the assembly, and this has for more than 6-7 months not been acted upon by the speaker.
Impunity has dictated to those offices that orders should not be respected, that the rebellious group in Jubilee should manage the resources. I am informed as we speak about 90 million Kenyan shilling cannot be traced, cannot be accounted. No transparency.
Policymakers should be able to consider reviewing and amending the existing laws where we feel there is a lacuna. And in this case, if there is a lacuna in terms of the Political Parties Act, where we are saying at what point do we deem a member to have maybe promoted the position of another political party, it should be clear so that members are allowed to exercise their democratic right.
Bigega ya magoti mero ni arireirio hau kabere uria wari muthurimi wa mathabu thirikari-ini ya President Kenyatta Edward Ouko akiuga thairira ciairio na maguta itangicokio mukenya wa gikiro gia thi eguthio na mbere kunyamarika.
If we can agree to cap the cost of government for the next 3 years alone, then we will have easily started addressing some of the accumulated abuses and mismanagement, and therefore we can also be able to tackle the issue of taxes in our cost of living.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kamĩtĩ ya kũhũrana ungumania EACC Balak Twalib nĩ augĩte rĩndĩkithia rĩa kũheaga arĩa mahingũrirwo macira ma ungumania mweke wa kũhũranĩra iturwa cia wabici cia mũingĩ rĩbatiĩ rĩteanĩrio, na oho akauga kũrĩ na fairo kenda cia magavana maungumĩtie ikũhingũrwo nĩguo mathitangwo.
We need to have laws whereby when we are summoned by this committee, the commission can write to the clerk of the National Assembly that these committee members, A, B, C, D, we have issues with him here. In a very civilized way, he should be exempted not to appear before that committee.
Kanjo ya makanitha NCCK na kanjo ya thikabu kanitha wa Gatoreki onao nimeheanite mũrũgamo wao wĩgiĩ wabici ya mũtongoria wa mũng'ethanĩro, nyabara wa maminista na kura ya mawoni.
Amend the constitution to provide for the office of the leader of the opposition. We are, however, not very comfortable with the office of the prime cabinet secretary because the title is very confusing.
Thutha wa thikũ mũgwanja cia gũthikĩrĩria mawoni ma ikundi ona andũ matiganĩte, rĩu kamĩtĩ ĩno ina thikũ 24 cia kũharĩrĩria riboti ya mũthia. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV ndĩ cikaro-inĩ cia Bomas, Nairobi, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.